Alright, what's up you guys? Saturday, finally finishing up the shift. Well, I'm done actually. And my day's not over yet because we're installing coilovers today. Hooray! But yeah, been waiting a long time. They've been in my trunk for like a week now, almost a week. Luckily, they did not get stolen, the car or the coilover, so I was a little paranoid, but just opened the trunk, we're all Gucci. So plan is, get the car in, lift it up, and I don't want to record too long, so I'll just be doing a time lapse of what I do, and then after the time lapse I'll just give an explanation of what we did, what millimeters I used, and you know, if there was any problems I'll tell you. So that's gonna be it. And after, maybe just, you know, show you guys how the car is sitting, obviously, and that's gonna be it. So time lapse starts now. Think I'm gonna have to put something under the tires? Think I'm gonna have to put something under the tires? Oh snap. I'll be sitting low. And now for the final test. Well, not the final, I'm sure we're gonna have some more tests, but the jump test with Roman. Ta-da! Alright, let's do this. We just set it on the softest setting, the damper, so Hold up. Wait. Keep doing that. Pretty stiff, but there's some play. Even in the rear, so I think we're good. I'm gonna leave the top cover off for now just to mess with the dampers and see what I like for daily driving. But yeah, as you can see, this thing is a lot lower. Never seen this car in this shape. It's pretty much 3 years now. It's always been all stock. I mean, there's still, as you can see, there's still some room right here, but I'm cool with that for now because these are 18s. If I drop a little more, they're gonna even tuck a little more, so it's gonna look a little funky. So it's already tucking, as you can see in the rear, but I think this ride height for daily driving as automatic 240 is perfect for now. So we're about to hop in with Roman, do a little test drive. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright you guys, so this is my first impression. Literally just got out of the shop, and me and Roman are heading on a road that's pretty bumpy. I mean, it's not crazy bumpy, but as you can hear, it's pretty bumpy. And it's on the softest setting, so I would say, I mean, it's very obviously way stiffer than stock, but it's not too bad until you hit like a nice uneven pavement in the road. Then the whole car kind of jumps up. Like, it's not like jumping up, but definitely feel it. Let me get this though. It's not too bad. I might get some pillows on the butt seats. Let's go on a couple of bumps right here. Okay, Roman, what do you think? You're the drifter here. Is it stiff or is it doable still? I think it's doable, huh?
Yeah, I think it's doable.
Especially this ride height. Kind of just driving a little obnoxious, and it's not too bad.
You'll know in a week.
Yeah. But yeah, it's obviously on the softest setting. I don't know, maybe I'll have to drive around like that or just do a couple clicks tighter, and that will be it for daily driving. But yeah, record my face. Whatever. Okay, watch my body be jumping around. See how my girl feels about this. Definitely get a pillow for her, booty. I know you hear me. Should we go back to the left or what?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go back. This road right here, obviously it's paved nicely, so let's just hit like around 45, 50. Baby, don't even have to shift. I mean, yeah, this car never drove like this before, that's for sure. Feels like a little race car now. Me like. No, it's not too bad, huh?
Nah, it's good. It's alright.
I would say it's... People say it's super stiff, but I mean, maybe in some crazy roads, yeah, for sure it's going to be too stiff, but around where we live, roads are pretty decent. You just watch out for the potholes, you'll be okay. So I think that'll be it for this little portion of the video. At the end, I'll still tell you what I did, what I ran into, a couple little problems, nothing major, super easy to do. And yeah, that'll be it for the video, you guys. A little spoiler or a little surprise for you. Roman's sitting and recording me, but the thing is, he has a drift car and he has like, what, how many project cars you got?
3
project cars. And
4.
they're, I'll say, they're not JDM, so, well, maybe I kind of gave away a little bit. Okay, we're gonna scratch that out. They are, and yeah, I'm gonna edit it. You won't know what they are, but yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna start recording him slowly but surely. We kind of talked about it. We want to start a little something like that, because he goes to Sonoma, he drifts, and yeah, he knows a lot more than me. On my phone, he's saved Master Tech, and that's for a reason, so he's a lot smarter than I am compared to like when we're working on vehicles and stuff. So that'll be it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe. We out.